never get mad at him and use your femininity instead. You need to be strategic when it comes to conflict with a man. Masculine men want to be respected.
Angela, lay off. I'm getting sick of this.
And to obtain what you want, instead of getting mad at him, do this instead.
Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. It's a girlfriend scene. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome to my channel, lovely. And if you're a new subscriber, welcome to the family. I speak all things fashion, femininity, glamour, dating, Christian girl talk, and anything to make you become a high valued woman, and as well to upgrade your confidence. If these are topics that you're interested in, keep on watching. Wait, and please kindly do follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I will leave all that information in the description down below.
Most women don't know how to communicate with a man. Masculine man wants to be respected, and this is where most women go wrong. You need to be strategic and handle conflict like a queen, like an unbothered queen that you are. You don't need to scream, you don't need to argue, you don't need to get angry. You need to move in your feminine energy, and you are going to obtain whatever you want, and he will be happy about it. It's a win-win for the both of you. Ladies, being a woman is God-given. You need to utilize your feminine energy and stop being masculine. When you start an argument with a man, you might not win the argument because he is definitely more masculine than you are. There is no way you're going to win going in sort of a war or a competition towards him. Instead, use your feminine energy with a masculine man. How you handle everything will say a lot. The first advice I'll be sharing with you today is stay calm and collected. The high valued woman, the femme fatale, the serene woman, her biggest asset is to stay calm and collected. It's her elegance and her grace in every situation. She stays calm and collected.
I'm mad. You don't get it, dude. This is childish, Gina. That's all right. You want to leave, all right? I'm a man, Gina. Stop!
Even when there's an argument between your partner or your husband, you need to center yourself before responding to a conflict. You need to address the situation with a clear mind instead of being all over in your emotions, because you might say some things that you will probably regret or say some hurtful words towards him. This might make the situation even worse. So I want you ladies to stay calm, and I want you to take a step back in the situation before discussing about the issue. You need to take deep breaths anytime you enter into conflict with anyone. Visualize yourself calming down or being in a soft aura or a soft presence. And I tell you, when you are calm, this is when people pay attention to what you are saying. Ladies, slow down your tone, slow down your voice. You will sound more purposeful and more confident and more assured about what you are saying. And the woman that is able to do this is the most attractive thing to a masculine man. Be composed and handle the situation with grace. The next advice I will share with you is think about when is the best time to discuss the issue. Is he traveling or is he busy with work? You cannot discuss such issues when he is busy and stressed out with his plans. It is not going to be the best time to address any issues with him. You will only be adding more stress to him, and you are likely not going to get the response that you want. And remember, ladies, don't do it in public. Don't talk about an issue in public. Don't talk about an issue with a man in front of your family, friends, or other people. Always wait to be in a private place with him when he's calm, when he's feeling good. Wait for the right moment so that he can actually listen to you and listen to your concerns. Also, think about how you want the situation to end. Do you want to resolve the conflict? If so, do not talk for hours, because masculine men do not talk for hours and do not want to talk about an issue over and over again. They want to solve it. They are problem solvers. So ladies, if you bring up an issue, you need to know what you want out of it. Do you want him to apologize to you? Do you want him to change his behaviors? Or do you just want him to understand you better? or well, you need to make it known to him, because we women sometimes just want to be understood. As well, have a sense of humor and try to diffuse the tension. Add warmth to it. This is part of the feminine energy. Add your playful, cute, bubbly personality and express yourself. Try to use words like "this is how I feel" or think, or "I feel not heard," or "I don't like it when you say this or say that," or "when you did this or did that, it really hurt my feelings." Try to say it in a calm way. Men have a big ego, ladies, so sometimes the best way to address a criticism or something about him, address it like a little sandwich. Use the sandwich method. Start with a compliment, telling him what you love about him, then bring up the issue, then end it with another positive statement, making him feel useful about himself. Present him the issue and let him fix it. You don't have to be controlling like a mother. Present him the issue, tell him what you need help with, and let him prove to you that he is the masculine man that you need. He is going to feel strong and feel happy about it instead of nagging and controlling him. Don't say "I would do it" because you never do it. Let him be your hero. A lot of times women complain men not doing things for them, but they don't let them do it. Ladies, I want you to actively listen also. When you are in a discussion with your man, let's rather discuss than argue about issues. I want you to genuinely listen instead of always thinking about what you're gonna say next. Listen to his point of view and listen to what he says and how he feels also. Have a bit of empathy for what he's saying. Unless it's really, really bad, then it's okay to be mad. But when it's a minor issue, little things to point out, maintain an open body language and avoid interrupting him. Watch your body language. Don't be rude. Don't roll your eyes or clap your hands. Just listen to him and don't be dismissive. Be soft. Give soft touches. Be feminine. Be calm. It's going to connect the both of you. Another thing, ladies, is you need to be clear with your boundaries. Usually women tend to be just mad and give the silent treatment, but we don't say why we are mad. He will ask you, "Are you okay?" And you are like, remember, men can't read your mind. They do not have superpowers and cannot know what is going on. You need to tell him why you are mad. Tell him about your boundaries. Don't feel guilty talking about your boundaries and prioritizing your needs and expressing yourself. Express how you feel. The last but not least, ladies, is choose your battles wisely. It's not everything that you have to engage in. It's not everything that should become an issue just because you want to start a fight or conflict for nothing. Let the small things go, honey. Let the small things go. And ask yourself if this is really worth making a big deal out of. Do you want to make the relationship less enjoyable? Babe, what is your problem? Do you want to damage the relationship over this? Oh my goodness. Watch your triggers, ladies, and don't allow yourself to constantly be triggered out of emotions. Please don't be against each other, but be partners. Find mutual solutions. Activate his masculine energy. Practice self-care. Handle conflict in a feminine way. Stay unbothered about what people think and stop worrying about him always. Nourish your body. Take in deep breaths. Take care of yourself. Get a hobby and release the tension inside of you. Oh my goodness. And let that man breathe. Let the church say amen. All right, ladies, be gentle to yourself, love yourself, take good care of yourself, put yourself first, and remember, you are the prize. You are the dream girl.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell button. As well, share this video to as many people as possible. Your support really means a lot to me, and I hope everything that I'm teaching you, you will apply it in your life. And I'm as well praying for you daily. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in my next one. Mwah. Bye, lovelies.